Hey Golfpreneurs, Gary here. I just added something extremely cool inside of the classroom. It's called the ChatGPT Swipe Vault. It's a collection of some of my most impactful prompts that are going to help you to streamline the process using ChatGPT. Some of these prompts I use still every single day, and some of them helped me to build all my social media accounts, and literally they help you build your business on autopilot. I want to hop inside the computer now and break down exactly what's inside this course for you. The ChatGPT collection ebook. This has prompts for content creation, social media, email, SEO, and much more. The ChatGPT bio audit prompt. This is going to help you to instantly improve your message on Instagram. The social media bios prompt. This will help you to create a perfect bio across every single platform with the right amount of characters, adding in the right keywords, etc. And by the way, I do break this down in full detail inside of the social media automation course. Make sure to check that out. It's in step 2. So if you haven't started that yet, go check it out. My DM funnel prompt for MiniChat. This is great for automating conversations that convert, subscribers, and even sales. And the 10,000 plus prompt bundle for unlimited swipe worthy inspiration. This has so many prompts in it. Wait till you see this one. One important note, this vault is for level 2 upgrade. That means you need to engage a little bit more in the group to unlock it. Things like liking, commenting, even sharing valuable information and valuable posts is going to help you to level up. And once you get to level 4, we unlock the YouTube Mastery Blueprint, how I built a 544,000 subscriber YouTube channel. You can check out what level you're at right next to your name in the top right-hand corner. Listen, if you want to grow faster, work smarter, and get access to the exact prompts that I used, go get it, and I'll see you on the inside. Oh yeah, and please, once you do go in there and you see all those prompts and you start putting them to use, please come back here to this video and drop a comment. That's going to help you to level up even further, and it's going to give others inspiration on what they're missing and why they should engage in the group. Let's get out there and crush it together. Cheers.